Hello everyone, my name is Margaret, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be trying out this little menstrual cup here. I would like to give a shout out to Irene for giving me this menstrual cup, and this is my very first time to use a menstrual cup during my period, and they say you can use this for 12 hours. Please don't mind the background noise. A lot of dogs are barking at the background. So this small cup here will save my day because this will serve 12 hours as a protection to getting leaks. Now, I'll give you a feedback after 12 hours if di ba gid ko malapsan, if di ba siya sakit. So, I actually watched a few videos on how to insert a menstrual cup into your vagina. I'll try the best method that I think fits or suits me. So, this menstrual cup is already sterilized. I placed it in boiling water for 2 minutes. And then what you need to do is bend this part here. And, okay. So if you can see, so bend this part here and this. So you insert this edge here to your vagina so that it will go in and just pop open inside, right? And in case you want to remove it already, you need to just pull this little thing here and make sure you're relaxed. So make sure you either squat in the toilet bowl, stretch your one leg higher. So I'll try it now and I'll let you know how it feels. So I already have it inside and it feels a little awkward. Placing it inside was not that difficult because the menstrual cup was a bit slippery. Of course, it was wet because I boiled it. But it's already inside and I can still feel its presence. And the small thing is still out. But before, I thought it was going to touch the panty area, but it didn't. So it's actually kept inside. So I'll try to see if I have any stains later on. This will stay inside for 12 hours. Don't mind this, guys. I have a little bump inside my eye. So I'll have this inside for 12 hours and I will let you know if di ba gid ko malapsan, if di ba siya musakit, whatsoever. So stay tuned. Thank you, guys. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you an update. The very first time I used the menstrual cup, it actually popped out. Like really popped out. When I sat on the floor, it just went outside. So I really had to remove it. Just use pads for the moment because I was really not comfortable with it. So that was this morning, right? So now it's already 4:45 in the afternoon. I tried it for the second time and sorry if I have a bump here. Medyo na-irritate siya. The second time I used it, I tried 2 different ways. Remember the C when you have to fold it and it looks like a C, and the other one which you need to have a pointed part go to the vagina. So I know this is a very awkward awkward topic for my male subscribers, but this is very informative and helpful, especially to our women who want to save money, because if you use menstrual cups, guys, it will save you years of purchases of sanitary napkins. That means if you use 4 to 5 sanitary napkins a day, 5 days of menstrual period every month, that's 5 times 5, 25 napkins saved because of 1 menstrual cup. It is a bit pricey though. Common menstrual cups like the Diva cup range around 3,000 to 5,000 depending on the type and the size. But knowing that you can use the menstrual cup to 5 years, this can be used within 12 hours, not like the menstrual sanitary pads that you use only for 4 hours and you need to replace them because you might get infected whatsoever. But with 1 menstrual cup, you can have it into your vagina for 12 hours. And if you have work, you're using the menstrual cup, You just need to clean it up when you get home, because of course shifts usually are just 9 hours, right? You'll be home by then when it reaches the 12th hour. So second update, so first I tried the C, but it felt uncomfortable again, so I used the pointy type process. So I placed it inside, this time a bit deeper, because this morning when I placed it inside, I think it was just the shallow part, because when I sat down it popped out of my vagina. So right now it's inside. I was a bit scared though because I thought it might get lost inside somewhere, but I tried to check. I can still feel the pointy thing that you use to pull out the menstrual cup, so I'm happy. Oh well, since it's already in and it's around 4:30 when I inserted it, I'll try to check this tomorrow after 12 hours and see if it's still there and if it really works. So I'll share another update tomorrow, and hopefully it will be a success. So once again, I would like to give a shout out to Enerionas or MAISTRANG LAAGAN for giving me this menstrual cup, which she got from GAC Motor Cebu. It was actually a gift from GAC. This came from FemFactory, and I really don't know how much this cost yet, so I'm gonna be asking them. But that's it for now. I'll let you know any updates, but I hope I won't be getting bloodstains on my underwear, and I hope this will be a success. And I really do hope it won't get lost inside. So see you on another update later on. Hey guys, just a quick update. It's almost 1 a.m. I actually had a leak. I felt wet, I think because the cup overflowed already. So I had to, dispose of the waste. Well, as my first experience of menstrual cup, and it leaked. It was a bit heavy though, so I hope it won't happen again tomorrow, but still hoping for the best. See you again later. Hey guys, so it's 6:05 and I think you already know why I'm updating you. I had another leak, so I had to try and check again, pull it out and check if it's full, but it wasn't. The bad thing is the leak is somehow in front part of the underwear, not the back. Not the usual leak that you get from napkins, sanitary napkins. So I'm not sure what's messing up. It's either because it's too small for me. Yan. It's either it's too small for me or I'm placing it incorrectly. So I think I really need to research again, a few more videos, and try it again. But it's still day 2. I'm not giving up. I hope I'll be able to insert it correctly this time. So see you again later for another update. Hey guys! I would like to give a final update about my menstrual cup journey. So it's already 8 p.m., day 2 of my menstruation. And I can say that I think I have already figured out how to insert it correctly without any problems. Because earlier today, so yesterday, I think I placed it incorrectly because I had a lot of leaks. I had leaks 2 times last night. So it wasn't really a good first time for me. So I had a lot of stains in bed and my underwear. So I checked it again at noontime. It was already after I had 2 leaks. I checked it at noontime and I noticed that I didn't have any spots anymore. So I guess I figured out how to insert it correctly. One tip is to make sure that once it's already in, you need to touch the sides of the menstrual cup to make sure it's flat. I think the reason why it also leaked because my menstruation flow was strong. I had a lot of blood inside, so it really depends on the woman's cycle, on the woman's period, if it's just normal or heavy. I hope I'll get along with this menstrual cup, and once again, I can't thank you enough, and Nerionas, Irene, MAISTRANG, LAAGAN, or whatever other people call her. She gave her menstrual cup to me after they were given PR kits from GAC Motor Cebu. I was really happy for them and somehow curious because they haven't tried menstrual cups as well. And I really appreciate MAISTRANG LAAGAN for sharing that menstrual cup to me after I shared my tampon experience with her. And so I'm going to start again another part of my Eco Warrior journey, my zero waste journey, because remember, if you have one menstrual cup, it will be 5 years of saving from the costs that you spend for sanitary napkins, for tampons. And the good thing is, if you want to swim, you don't really need to worry about removing the napkin anymore because the menstrual cup will be inside your vagina for 12 hours and it only needs cleaning after the said time frame. But I would also like to give a tip. It's not 100% safe based on my experience that it will really protect you from leaks the whole time. So I think it would be best to add a safety layer, perhaps one panty shield a day. It's not that much to spend anyway, but it's really up to you, no? It's really up to you because that's how I feel secure, knowing that there's an extra layer just in case the menstrual cup fails. There's something that would catch the blood. This is just based on my experience because I had 2 leaks in one night. And I really made sure that it was already inside. So I also wanted to tell you guys that if you have a menstrual cup and if you place it inside for the first time, if it feels awkward when you walk, I'm really sure that it's not really placed well yet. So try placing it back again. What worked for me was actually the C-fold. Although it may seem that it's a huge part to place inside, but somehow it's what worked for me. I found it easier to check if it's fully open already inside with a C-fold. But it really depends on the woman, on how they prefer it to be inserted, how they want it to be done. And also, if you want to remove the menstrual cup outside your vagina, you need to push that, just like when you're pooping, you need to push a bit, and then once it acts like it's popping out, you pull that little thingy that musiwil saya, you pull that out, and once you pull it out a bit, you need to use your other finger to press that menstrual cup inside so that it would release the pressure inside your vagina. So I know that some of my subscribers won't be able to understand the topic that I'm talking about right now, but this is actually a very useful information to all the women who are planning to switch to menstrual cups, save on a lot of expenses due to sanitary napkins, tampons, and also I hope you guys find your right size. And I hope you enjoy wearing your menstrual cups during your periods. It's not really 100% enjoyable experience for me, but it was somehow a lesson. It was something that made me realize that it's somehow convenient at some time, but also a bit of a hassle at times as well. I would think of myself saying that may taganapkin na lang ko, unta ko malapsi. But somehow, again, in life, you need to take risks in order to discover something new.
and something better perhaps with what you're being used to. Thank you so much for spending time and watching this information about menstrual cups. I hope you will enjoy your first time. And if you wish to purchase a menstrual cup, you can purchase it from FemFactory. But there are also other brands selling it like Diva Cup, I believe Diva Cup and Sinaya. I'm not really sure if I said it right, but there are a lot of brands selling menstrual cups in the Philippines, and I hope you will find it convenient and worthwhile. So once again, one menstrual cup will last 5 years, and it will save a lot of paper from nature and save a lot of waste from our planet. Thank you so much. I hope you leave a like, ask questions in the comments, and tap on the subscribe button and notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great night and have a great menstruation period. Bye. Take care.